Hi chefs, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Welcome back to Close Kitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I will be doing a POPSHELF SPICE unboxing. So it was given to me as a gift for registering with their store. They gave me a printable gift code that I had to take to the store and choose from 3 different boxes: beauty, spice, or household. By the way, this is not a paid promotion. So let's see what's inside. Wow, check out the packaging, how they took their time to package these spices. So far I can see 4 different spices in a bottle. So let's go through the box together. Ooh, I have some steak seasoning by a brand called Nancy Lee. I've never heard of it. It might be the brand. I used it to make some barbecue baby back ribs. I pretty much use it as a rub. I will leave a link for this recipe. You can feel the sea salt and the black pepper, but it's a very good seasoning. Those ribs were so good. Next, we have the lemon pepper seasoning, and the bottle was filled to the top. I've used it twice so far, one to make my baked salmon and also to make my lemon pepper roast chicken, and everything came out so good. I will leave a link to the recipe for the lemon pepper roast chicken. It comes with a shaker and you can put your seasoning in there or a seasoning mix. This is fancy. Let's see what's next. We have some parsley flakes, and I use this on everything that I cook. Nancy have some good seasonings. And the last one is some pink Himalayan salt. I replaced my salt with this, and so far I like it. And this one is the fine Himalayan salt. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.